Today I'll be showing you how I made this lovely pink Fascinator. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Do let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Okay, so actually we've made something similar, but we made it with 3 roses and 4 loops, but this time around we're making it with 4 roses and 6 loops. So if you haven't watched the one we made with those, please, you might want to go back if you don't know how to make the rose or the loops. But if you know how to make that already, let's dive in and see how you can make it with more roses and more loops. Join me in the Vend Craft Academy, where you get to learn more on how to use Crinoline to make fantastic designs like you see me doing. Don't miss it. The link is in the description below. The Vend Craft Academy reception link. Take note, I'm making use of the feathers that are already made like this, unlike the last time I made use of feathers which I made from another type of feathers. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up and go further. If you haven't subscribed, to click that subscribe button, and if you have subscribed and haven't clicked the bell, you want to click the bell so you don't miss out. Like if you're watching this for the first time, you have already missed the other one, but if you have your bell button clicked, you ain't gonna miss nothing from my channel. Once I upload a new video, you get it. Thanks for staying with me to the end of this video, and check out this other video to add more value and empower you to create wealth.